Where is he? He really shitting that shit. What the fuck? I'm sorry, B.
Oh, we get to name it.
Oh no, I can't do that. I can't do that. Let's just take it out.
That nigga is a grown pussy.
Can we name him Marijuana?
Ooh, Patricia.
It's a nigga.
I know. It's okay.
No, we'll just say we playing meow sounds on the echo.
All night, bitch.
Bring it in my room.
How you feel about the cat?
I'm scared as fuck.
How you feel about the cat?
I love my little baby. What's his name?
Marijuana.
Okay, if things go south, we just bring him to Pesmont. Can you do it right now?
No.
No, let's. Yeah, I think we can try for like at least a week, and then if he passed the week, we can keep him forever.
He's just scared right now. That's
Yeah.
why he's hiding.
We trying to
He'll get used to us.
We on Basin Dude already?
Tati's dumb ass let the cat go in
Are
the
we
middle
doing
of
something
the night.
Are we doing something tonight?
And it was a snowstorm. He's probably dead now. Tati's throwing away the cat stuff because we no longer have a cat. Why don't we have a cat no more, Tati?
Hold the fucking door.
Why don't we have a cat no more?
We don't have a cat no more.
Why?
Hold the door.
Why don't we have a cat no more?
Cause I put him outside.
Ow! Damn, bitch! What the fuck? Bring your ass in! He missed us. How did you stay alive?
His ribs are showing.
We need to move.
I think she threw that shit away.
No, that shit was outside. Like,
What time is
outside
Christmas?
door.
Marijuana, and this is him because he had a collar mark around his neck. He did. This is him.
The ice sprayer. In the winter.
He said, yeah. He said to keep it. Yeah, no clothes. This is him.
Oh, it's fine. We made you.
This is him.
Change his name to Big Fat Pussy Purr.
I'm sorry. You're okay.
He's lucky it's not an Archie area, because if he was in the hood, he would have been rolled over your ass.
She said talk to the friend.
He's gonna hate us.
Why'd you get rid of the cat?
Why'd you get rid of the cat? I was stressed. I have a lot of stress.
Do you feel bad?
Yes, I cried, so I did feel bad.
Now, what would you did if he died?
Okay.
Answer the question.
How do you feel that he was starving for 2 days?
Answer the question.
How do you feel that he had to suffer through a snowstorm? Answer the question. Answer the question.
Answer the question! Jayla be so excited.
She running like that.
Somebody keep stirring.
I got it.
Grab his ass. Stop recording him. Help! Nigga, chat, what's it?
It's one time.
I'm getting he just slipped his neck.
He's slippery as hell right now. Done. You're almost done. You did have the process.
I'm
okay,
getting
baby.
stressed to the max.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Get the towel. Where's the towel? Where's the towel? The towel right there.
Where's the
Towel on it. It's right here. It's right here. Why are you touching me like that?
Why are you touching me like that?
He's good. He's done for the night.
Ow, don't do that shit.
Okay, everybody go, 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 go.
I've never actually owned a pet. I had a fish, a frog, like things in the water, but like an actual four-legged dog or cat, I've never had that ever. So I'm gonna treat him like he's my baby.
I
God is so good. Amen.
This is so. How did she find the cat?
Amen for real.